MLE. The OLSC do not depend on the assumption of normality for the disturbance term Ui. Therefore, MLE of the parameters obtained and by using the assumption of normality for the disturbance term Ui. In model yi equals to alpha plus beta xi plus ui, the sample consists of n observations on x and y. Ui follows normal 0, sigma square for all I takes values 1 to and so on n. Alpha plus beta xi plus ui, which equals to yi, and it follows normal alpha plus beta xi, sigma square for all I take values 1 to and so on n. So the function fyi equals to 1 by root 2 pi sigma e to the power minus half in bracket yi minus alpha minus beta xi by sigma to the whole square by take values from minus infinity to infinity, and here I 1 to and so on n. The likelihood function of the sample values can be written as L equals to 1 by root 2 pi to the whole power n, 1 by sigma square to the whole power n by 2 e to the power minus half summation yi minus alpha minus beta xi to the whole square by sigma square. Taking log ln L equals to minus n by 2 ln 2 pi minus n by 2 ln sigma square minus half summation yi minus alpha minus beta xi to the whole square by sigma square, where alpha, beta and sigma are the parameters. By differentiating this ln L with respect to these parameters, we will find these equations. And by solving the equation first and second, the MLE of beta will be Sxy by Sxx. Alpha cap equals to y bar minus beta cap x bar. So y bar minus Sxy by Sxx x bar, MLE of alpha. So MLE of alpha and beta are same as the OLSC of alpha and beta. MLE of sigma square equals to sigma square cap equals to 1 by n summation yi minus yi cap का whole square, which is equals to 1 by n summation ei square. Statistical property of MLEs of alpha and beta. It is same as OLSC of alpha and beta. Sigma square cap equals to summation ei square by n. Unbiasedness of MLE of sigma square. Further add summation ei square by n minus 2 equals to sigma square. So sampling distribution of alpha cap and beta cap. Unbiasedness of sigma square. Since summation ei square by n minus 2 equals to sigma square, so expectation of sigma square cap, which is MLE, which is summation ei square by n equals to n minus 2 by n sigma square. So sigma square cap is MLE, which is biased estimator of sigma. Sampling distribution of alpha cap and beta cap, where OLSC and MLE of alpha is the same. Alpha cap equals to normal alpha sigma square in bracket 1 by n plus summation plus x bar plus x bar square by summation xi square, which follows normal alpha sigma square by n in bracket summation xi square by summation small xi square, where beta cap follows normal beta sigma square by summation small xi square. Covariance of alpha cap by covariance of alpha cap and beta cap equals to covariance of y bar minus beta cap x bar beta cap, which is minus x bar variance of beta cap minus x bar sigma square by summation small xi square minus x bar sigma square by sxx. If covariance term will be 0 if x bar equals to 0. Coefficient of determination r square, goodness of fit. So Syy equals to beta cap square Sxx plus Ei square. Wait, starting from here. Ei equals to yi minus y cap. Yi minus y bar equals to yi cap minus y bar plus Ei. Summation yi minus y bar का whole square equals to summation yi cap minus y bar plus ei का whole square. Summation yi cap minus y bar का whole square plus summation ei square plus 2 summation ei in bracket yi cap minus y bar, which is summation yi minus y bar का whole square. Summation yi cap minus y bar का whole square equals to alpha cap plus beta cap xi minus अल्फा माइनस बीटा कैप एक्स बार का होल स्क्वायर, बीटा कैप स्क्वायर in bracket summation xi minus x bar square beta cap square sxx, which is equation second. Summation ei yi cap minus y bar equals to 0. This is equation third. So syy equals to beta cap square sxx plus ei square, summation ei square, where summation ei square is residual sum of squares and unexplained variable. Syy is total sum of squares and Sxx is explained sum of square. Coefficient of determination r square is defined as r square equals to beta cap square Sxx by Syy, which is equals to ESS by TSS 1 minus summation EI square by Syy. So if fitting is perfect, then summation EI square equals to 0, that is r square equals to 1. It indicates best fitting. Estimated sample regression line is horizontal, that is beta cap equals to 0. So Syy equals to summation Ei square, beta cap will be 0. And this implies that r square equals to 0. So in this case r square takes value 0 from 0 to 1. R square equals to small r xy का whole square, where small xy is sample correlation coefficient between x and y, where r square measures the proportion of variation in dependent variable explained by independent variable. The value of r square depends on the sum of squares of residuals. Whenever we include an additional variable, summation ei square decreases and hence r square increases. R square is increasing function of number of explanatory variable present in regression model. Testing of hypothesis. Regression model y equals to alpha plus beta x. If we wish to test h naught beta equals to 0, that is there is no relation against h1 beta not equals to 0, the test statistic equals to beta cap minus expectation of beta cap by standard error of beta cap, which follows Tn minus 2. So beta cap minus beta by sigma cap by root SXX, which follows Tn minus 2. Sigma cap square equals to summation Ei square by n minus 2. So, and the second test is we wish to test h naught such that alpha equals to 0 against the h1 such that alpha not equals to 0. Test statistic t equals to alpha cap minus expectation alpha cap by standard error of alpha cap, which follows t degree of freedom n minus 2. Alpha cap minus alpha by summation sigma square by n summation capital xi square by summation small xi square. The Euler's estimators of alpha and beta cap equals to syx by sxx summation xiyi by summation xi square, and the alpha cap equals to y bar minus beta cap x bar. Fit the regression line by putting these alpha cap and beta cap in this value. The residual sum of square summation ei square equals to summation yi square minus beta cap square summation xi square. Beta cap square, it is the estimated values OLS estimate of beta, the coefficient of determination. R square equals to 1 minus summation ei square by syy, where syy equals to summation yi square. R square is a variable. Explains R square in 100 means in percentage the total variation in y. And the sigma square, sigma cap equals to summation ei square by n minus 2. Variance cap of alpha cap equals to sigma cap square by n summation xi square by summation small xi square. Variance cap of beta cap equals to sigma square cap by summation small xi square. H naught beta equals to 0 versus h1 beta not equals to 0. T equals to beta cap minus beta upon me standard error beta cap, which follows Tn minus 2 under h naught beta cap by standard error of beta cap. H naught is rejected if t calculated is greater than t alpha by 2 with degree of freedom n minus 2. The general linear model GLM. The linear relationship between a variable y dependent variable and p explanatory variables, say x1 x2 and so on xp. These are independent variable, also we called regressor, and a disturbance term ui. You express the relationship as y equals to beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2 and so on beta p xp plus u. This is the equation first, where beta 1 beta 2 and so on beta p are the linear constants or parameters. If we have a set of small n observations, n is greater than p, means observations are greater than the number of constants on these variables on y and x1 x2 and so on xp. The relationship for the ith observation yi as yi equals to beta 1 x1 I plus beta 2 x2 I plus and so on beta p xpi plus ui. For all I take values 1 2 and so on n. For I equals to 1 2 and so on n, y1 equals to beta 1 x1 1 beta 2 x2 1 and so on beta p xp1 plus u1. Y2 equals to beta 1 x1 2 beta 2 x2 2 beta p xp2 plus u2 and so on. Yn equals to beta 1 x1 n beta 2 x2 n and so on beta p xpn plus un. This is equation 3. In a matrix notation, we can write equation 3 as y1, y2 and so on yn, x1 1, x2 1, x3 1, xp1, x1 2, x2 2, x3 2, xp2, x1n, x2n, x3n, xpn, beta 1, beta 2 and so on beta p, u1, u2 and so on un. Capital Y equals to capital X beta plus u. This is the 4 equation. General linear model, and this is called the general linear model. The assumption of GLM, number of observations must be greater than the number of parameters. The rank of x equals to rank of x dash x equals to p, the number of the number of regressors, that is x dash x inverse exist since x dash x not equals to 0. UIs are IID normal 0 comma sigma square, where expectation ui equals to 0 and variance ui equals to sigma square for all I take values 1 2 and so on n. U bar equals to u1 u2 and so on un. Expectation of u bar equals to 0 0 0. This is column matrix. Covariance u bar equals to expectation u minus expectation u bar in one bracket and another bracket u minus expectation u dash. Therefore, expectation u equals to 0. So, expectation of u into u dash. This is expectation of u1 square, expectation of u2 u1, and so on. Expectation of un u1, expectation of u1 u2, expectation of u2 square, and so on. Expectation of un u1, and so on. Expectation u1 un, expectation u2 un, expectation un square. This will be gives the values since expectation of u square equals to sigma square, and here expectation u1 into u2 are 0 since regressors are independent. Sorry, disturbance terms are independent to each other. This will be the sigma square and identity matrix. So u bar follows normal sigma square in. Y bar equals to x beta bar plus u bar. So estimation of beta and sigma square by method of least squares. OLSC of beta and sigma square. The sum of squares of error is defined as r equals to summation ui square, which is equals to u1 u2 and so on un, and it is a row matrix, and it is column matrix u1 u2 and so on n. Y minus x beta dash y minus x beta. This will be r equals to y dash y minus beta dash x dash y minus y dash x beta plus beta dash x beta, which is y dash y minus 2 beta dash x dash y plus beta dash x beta. The OLSC of beta is obtained by minimizing R, method of maxima and minima. Del R by del beta equals to 0, that is x dash x beta equals to x dash y. Beta cap equals to x dash x inverse x dash y. U cap equals to y minus x beta cap. X beta plus u minus x beta cap x dash x ka inverse x dash y bar. Y bar equals to x beta bar plus u bar. So x beta plus u minus x beta plus x dash x inverse x dash u. So I minus x in bracket x dash x का whole inverse x dash u. I minus h u, where h equals to x dash x का inverse x dash. It is hat matrix which is symmetric and idempotent and non-singular. Here u cap equals to m u bar, where m is also symmetric, idempotent and non-singular. Non-singular means determinant not equals to 0. Idempotent means m square equals to m. Symmetric means m dash equals to m. U dash u cap dash u cap equals to u dash mu equals to u1 u2 and so on row matrix m1 m2 and so on m1n and so on mn1 mn2 and so on mnn, and it is column vector u1 u2 and so on un m11 m11 u1 square plus and so on 2 m12 u1 u2 and so on plus 2 m n minus 1 comma n un. Expectation of u cap dash u cap equals to m11 plus m22 and so on plus mnn sigma square. Sigma square trace I minus x in bracket x dash x का inverse x dash sigma square trace I n minus trace x in bracket x dash x का inverse x dash sigma square n minus trace x dash x in bracket x dash x का inverse sigma square n minus p. Sigma cap equals to u dash u cap dash u cap. OLSC of sigma square equals to sigma square cap u cap dash u cap by n minus p. So y minus x beta cap का dash y minus x beta cap by n minus p. This will be multiply and give this form. We will get these things. At the end sigma square cap equals to y dash 1 minus x in bracket x dash x का inverse x dash out of bracket y by n minus p. Y dash 1 minus I minus h y bar upon में n minus p, where h is hat matrix and OLSC of this is the OLSC of sigma square. प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ बीटा का बीटा इज लीनियरिटी प्रॉपर्टी को होल्ड करता है मीन्स एक्स डैश एक्स का इन्वर्स एक्स डैश वाई बार वेयर वाई बार एक्सप्लेट कर देंगे एक्स बीटा प्लस यू से. सो बीटा प्लस एक्स डैश एक्स का इन्वर्स एक्स डैश यू. दिस इज द लीनियर फंक्शन ऑफ बीटा कैप एंड यू बार. Unbiasedness beta cap equals to x dash x ka inverse x dash y bar equals to beta plus x dash x ka inverse x dash u. Expectation of beta cap equals to beta. Expectation of u bar equals to 0. Covariance beta cap equals to expectation beta cap minus expectation beta in other bracket beta cap minus expectation beta cap ka dash expectation beta cap minus beta cap minus beta cap ka dash. This is the expectation of x dash x का inverse x dash u bar x dash x का inverse x dash u bar का dash. Expectation x dash x का inverse x dash u into u dash x dash x का inverse x dash sigma square I n x dash x का inverse sigma square x dash x का inverse. So covariance of beta cap equals to sigma square x dash x का whole inverse. So distribution of beta cap equals to beta cap follows normal beta comma sigma square x dash x का inverse. Beta cap is sufficient estimator of beta. Beta cap is consistent estimator of beta. Beta cap is most efficient, best linear unbiased estimator of beta.